The function f of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 24 over x minus 4 is given. Which of the following describes the function of x? So we're talking about x-intercepts here. We're talking about vertical asymptotes or holes here. So what we need to do is take this guy, factor out the numerator, and see what we get. So if I rewrite out f of x, and think of two numbers that add up to 2 and multiply out to negative 24. Those two numbers would be x plus 6, x minus 4. And that's going to be all over x minus 4. Now, whenever you have a rational function like this, you're looking for those three things. You're looking for first a 0, which, by the way, x-intercept and 0 are the same exact thing. A 0 exists when you have just a factor upstairs and nothing like it downstairs, and that happens here. My magic numbers are going to be negative 6 because that makes this factor 0, positive 4 because that makes this factor 0, and positive 4. So since this factor up here is all alone by itself, you are a 0. Now, if you are looking for a hole exists where you have a factor upstairs that's the same exact thing as a factor downstairs, which means a hole is going to exist at 4. Now, what we don't have is a vertical asymptote. Those exist when you have a factor on the bottom that's nothing like a factor on the top. That doesn't exist here. The only thing we have is a 0, or they want us to word it as an x-intercept, same exact thing, at x equals negative 6, and we have a hole at x equals regular 4. And that's going to be B. So there you go. Easy problem.